friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make tomato dal. For that we need dal, tomatoes, red chillies, one tomato, one onion, pinch of tamarind, turmeric. After that you have to wash the dal and cut the onions and tomatoes, chilies and add it to the dal. After adding all these, you have to add turmeric, some ghee, and few curry leaves. And put the lid and wait for whistles. Six whistles. After that, switch on the stove and you have to wait for whistles 6 or 7. After whistles, after whistling, you have to take off the lid and cook it and add red chilli powder. After adding red chilli powder, you have to mash the dal. After that it will become like this. You have to mash well. Add salt to it. Afterward you can taste it and if it's not enough you can add. After mashing well, you have to prepare for tadka. Switch on the stove and add some oil. After boiling, we have to add red chillies, garlic, mustards and Zeera, some curry leaves and coriander. And mix it well. After that, you have to add the mashed dal. After adding dal, you have to mix it. That's all. Tomato dal is ready. Please like and share my videos. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.